If you've clicked that ad because you're tired of the struggle, welcome. This is where I tell you what it was really about and why it might be the exact thing that you've been searching for. I'm Lori. I'm a single mom of 5, and what you're about to see is the exact digital system that helped me start over and earn my first $900 online using just my phone and 2 hours a day. Not that long ago, I was actually crying in my car after work, wondering how I was going to cover the cost of groceries, gas, and overdue bills again. I was tired, not lazy, just exhausted from working hard and still falling short. I didn't have money to invest in some $2,000 coaching thing. I didn't want to become a YouTuber. I didn't have time to waste on another, maybe this will work. So I actually tried something different, and guess what? It actually worked. Here's what the ad was about. It leads to a system that gives you a digital funnel, 4 high-commission digital products that are already done for you, 100% profit, and a step-by-step training so that you're not guessing. You don't need to build websites or chase friends, sell to strangers. All you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. A funnel is just a path. It's how people grow from, I'm curious, to wait, I want that, to boom, I bought it. You've seen funnels hundreds of times. Ever clicked a link and downloaded a freebie, then you got offered something after? That's a funnel. This one, it just happens to pay you every time someone takes action. The first sale I made was $900. I was folding laundry when the email came in, and I just stood there staring like, what? Wait, did this actually happen? And it did. It wasn't luck, it was a system. Who is it for? This isn't for people looking for overnight riches. It's for people who are ready to finally build something that's theirs, but they don't want the tech headache or the burnout. It's for single moms like me. It's for people that are starting over. It's really for anyone who's ever whispered, there has to be another way. If that's you, you don't need motivation. You just need a map, a real one. That's why I have a free digital business blueprint, and it's totally free. It walks you through how this system actually works, what a funnel is, how the products pay you, and what it actually looks like to start. I'm not holding anything back. It's the full breakdown. I wish I had one before I wasted time on dead ends. You can grab it in the description below or the pinned comments. You can grab it right now. You'll enter your email and I'll send it straight over. Check your spam just in case because it likes to hide. Don't wait until next month to change something that you can actually start change today. If you're seeing this after actually clicking a classified ad, you already took the first step. Now take the next one. This isn't hype. It's not a promise of easy, it's a pathway, and I'll walk it with you. Click the link and grab your blueprint. Let's start building something real, and let's do it together.